A spreadsheet of contacts, you read. A PDF of contacts, you read. An HTML directory, you actually click. That's what makes it different. Turn your contacts into a web page and they come alive. Every email becomes a clickable link. Tap a phone number on mobile, and it dials. The whole page is searchable. And it opens in any browser, on any device. No app, no spreadsheet needed. So when is HTML the one to choose? A team phone book on your intranet. A vendor list emailed to people outside the company. A directory everyone opens on their phone. Browsable, shareable, clickable. But here's the warning that matters most. Most free online converters cheat. They give you a wall of raw text with an HTML name slapped on it. No cards, no photos, no clickable links. Always ask to preview the output first. Looks like a text file? Walk away. For a real directory, no code needed. Univik's VCF Converter output styled HTML. A clean grid of cards or a sortable table. Photos included, email and phone links live. 500 contacts, done in under 10 seconds. And fully offline. Want total control over the look? A short Python script does it. Style it in your own brand colors. Add a live search box. Even embed the photos right in the file. One self-contained page you fully own. Once it's built, deploy it. Upload it to your intranet and share one link. It's a static file, any server hosts it. Update it by re-exporting. The link never changes. Everyone who bookmarked it stays current. HTML is for contacts people use, not just read. Build the styled version and skip the text dump.
Follow Univik, where technology meets trust.